Hi, I'm James, Developer Evangelist at DynamicPDF. Today we explore creating a PDF document using DynamicPDF Generator. The DynamicPDF Generator is provided as part of the DynamicPDF Core Suite. The DynamicPDF Core Suite combines the Merger, Generator, and Report Writer products into a powerful combined product. Using DynamicPDF Generator, you can create PDF files, add digital signatures, encryption, barcodes, charts, convert HTML and images to PDFs, and that's just a few of DynamicPDF Generator's many features. Also, DynamicPDF Generator has a simple object model that makes it easily understood. But don't take my word for it. Let's demonstrate just how intuitive DynamicPDF Generator really is by writing some code. If you've already created the project examples-dynamicpdf-core for one of our other tutorials, then open the project. Otherwise, let's create the new project. Open Visual Studio. Create a new C#.NET Core project. Console app, .NET Core, C#. Next. Name the project examples-dynamicpdf-core. Add the NuGet package. Search for it, cete.dynamicpdf, and there it is, cete.dynamicpdf.coresuite.net. Select it, install, OK, I accept. Now remove the console.writeLine statement. Add console.readKey, and we do that just so the console window doesn't close automatically when we run the application. Let's create a utility class that simplifies our project by adding code that makes resolving project paths easier. From Solutions Explorer, create a new class named util. Add class, name it util, and add it. Add a method named getPath with FilePath as a property. We use this utility class to simplify the remaining code in this tutorial. From the Solutions Explorer, create a new class named CreatePDF. Add using statements for both DynamicPDF and DynamicPDF.PageElements. Create a new static method named run. Create a new document class. Create a new page class instance, but in the constructor, set the page size to letter, the page orientation to portrait, and the margin to 54. 54 is measured in points, or 3/4 of an inch. Add the page to the document. Create a new string containing Hello World from DynamicPDF Generator for .NET, DynamicPDF.com. Then add that string to a new label. Note that in the label constructor, we specify the text to add to the label, the X and Y coordinates, the width and height, the font size, and the text alignment. Add the label to the page. Output the PDF document using the draw method. Now let's go to Program and add our newly created class and method. Now create a new folder named Output. Run the application. Press any key to close the console window. Let's open the containing folder and open the PDF. And there's the document with our label. As this tutorial illustrated, creating PDFs is intuitive and easy. Of course, this example was purposely simplified to show you just how easy creating a PDF really is. DynamicPDF Generator supports many more advanced features. You can download the complete source code for this project from our DynamicPDF GitHub site at github.com. Refer to our website for more information on licensing DynamicPDF Course Suite. This is ideal for anyone who needs to create PDFs as well as work with existing PDFs in their applications. With a free evaluation edition to try and with flexible and royalty-free licensing options, why not start using DynamicPDF Course Suite today? I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I'm James reminding you, when you think PDF, think DynamicPDF. Until next time.